All right, let's unbox something game-changing for product team. Check out this sleek dashboard, FeatureShift from AppSumo. First impression, modern, clean, and super intuitive design. Look at this, everything you need right at your fingertips. FeatureShift helps you gather feature requests easily. No more messy spreadsheets or lost emails. Finally, I'm setting up my first project in seconds. Super fast. Inviting my team is just one click. So smooth. Let's add a feature request. Simple, clear form here. Users can submit ideas directly, no tech skills needed. Watch this, requests show up instantly on the dashboard. I can sort, filter, and prioritize with zero hassle. All feedback is centralized, no more scattered info. This saves hours every week for product managers. I love the voting system. Users can upvote features. You see what matters most to your users instantly. Decisions are data-driven, not just gut feeling. Here's the Analytics tab, trends, charts, everything visualized. I can spot top requests and plan my roadmap smartly. FeatureShift makes product development so much easier. No more guessing what your users want next. It's perfect for startup founders and software teams. Even solo product managers will find this invaluable. Notifications keep me updated on new requests instantly. The interface is responsive, works great on mobile too. Security features keep user data protected, which I appreciate. There's even an integration option for existing tools. I synced it with Slack, updates flow right in. Customer support is quick and helpful, tested it myself. FeatureShift is all about streamlining feedback management. I can focus on building, not chasing feedback. Honestly, this feels like a must-have for product teams. If you're drowning in feature requests, get this. It's a huge upgrade over manual tracking systems. The AppSumo deal makes it super affordable right now. You get lifetime access, no monthly fees. I recommend grabbing FeatureShift before the deal ends. Warning, don't wait. AppSumo deals disappear fast. If you want better products, start here. FeatureShift helps you listen, decide, and build smarter. Ready to streamline your feature requests? Hit the link below and check out FeatureShift now.